Fans back in attendance, just as delighted. On the score sheet in a shortened game against Liverpool. News, unfortunate news, of course, of COVID cases. Need to take it quickly, but they'll wait for it. Youssef Demir, the man who's been linked with Arsenal, the man in bright orange. City as well. Eric Garcia, also from the blue side. Barcelona have the chance to attack. It is Memphis Depay. He's going to have a shot blocked. Years of age, easy to spot with his yellow boots. Very tactically, did a really good job. Boots, I suppose we can argue about that. But you can't argue about what a prospect Gavi is. To bring the ball forward, and he's done it well. Memphis, a couple of step overs. That's a lovely little touch. Is he going to get the penalty? Referee Tobias Reichel waves a hand to say get back up. You can hear what the crowd think about it. Could be wholesale changes at half-time, and certainly around the hour mark. Stenzel again, the captain of Stuttgart, just easing into that running battle against Depay. In the opening stages, that Barcelona have profited from that with a free kick. And who knows? Ball into the box. A couple of white shirts in the box. Not sure the Stuttgart defenders up early enough. Star for Austria in their recent internationals as well, but that's brought down fabulously by Memphis Depay. What a goal that is! Out of nowhere, something special for Barcelona gives them the lead. Finally a long ball that wasn't offside. They've struggled to break down the Stuttgart defence. That time they just bypassed it altogether. For Stuttgart there. Held up against the experienced Richard Weyer. It's Depay, the goal scorer. This time the step over is more. Having a word in the ear of the referee, I wonder. Well, here's another look. Did make contact, holds the ball up to win himself a bit of space, tries another pass over towards Depay. This one a little further out towards the corner flag. The crowd whistling Memphis Depay. Gavi and back with Memphis Depay. Last time I said that, Barcelona immediately went. Barcelona haven't got a free kick out of it. Depay going for a through ball to Griezmann in corner. Depay getting whistled again. One into the box, punched away. Dest will be looking to improve on third place. Depay into. They can change that in an instant, and they have done. Depay again using his strength really well and teeing up Griezmann somehow, and there's the second goal. Youssef Demir it is, the young Austrian gets on the score sheet. A great moment for him, but that was made by the combination play of Memphis Depay and Antoine Griezmann. In Rapid's European games, 15 wins in 26 Barcelona games, with all the players coming through from the academy. In the D, referee very clear, very early with the wave away. Frankie de Jong chipped forward in towards Depay again. What a touch! It was a very clever flick. Not much pressure coming from Stuttgart. It was perhaps the most exciting thing for the home fans to watch in those final 30 or so seconds. Three just touched out of the way. Would have been a really big opportunity for Depay on the left-hand side. Nice little step over. Depay's been so difficult to play against tonight. Brilliant in control. Two moments where they broke through came with really special touches. Most Barcelona have been here in Germany for around about a week now. Barca giving it everything there. To win that ball. Shooting chance, maybe. The ball really well. Wasn't far away. Griezmann wins that one back though. Edge of the area, chance for a shot. It's in towards Depay, and again he's gone short. But all three goal scorers will be delighted for Barcelona. Towards his captain. Barca.